Hi children, today we meet again. We did approximation in the last lesson. There is another topic, another small section connected to approximation, which is called significant figures. Now last time we studied how to approximate to the nearest whole number, first decimal place, second decimal place, and so on. So now sometimes, and it's very often the examiners ask questions like this, give you answer to the first significant figure, or the second significant figure, or third significant figure, like that. So if they give a question like that, you should be ready to give the answer in that form, otherwise you will not get the full marks. So we will take an example. Supposing we give a number like this, 3.4278. Now, if we are asked to give the answer to the first significant figure, so the first significant figure is this 3. So, first significant figure is equal to 3. So, second significant figure will be 3.4 as usual. 3.4. Third significant figure will be 3.42, but the next number is, as in decimals, next number is 7, so add 1 to this. So 3.43. Like that it goes. So here, first significant figure is 3, second significant figure is 3.4, third significant figure is 3.43, because you have to add 1 to this. We will take another number. Look at this one. 07812. Okay. Now, here we have to approximate these numbers to the significant figures. Okay. Now, first significant figure will be, now we can't take zeros as significant figures. We have to take the numbers. So we can't take these two for the significant figure. So the first significant figure will be 7. But we can't take 7. We can't take 7 because there are 8. The next number is 8. So first significant figure will come to as 0.08. Now decimal is different, but in significant figures you can't take the starting zeros. You have to take the first number that comes. So the second significant figure will be in this one. Second significant figure will be 0.078. 0.078. So third significant figure will be 781. 0.0781, and it go on like that. The fourth significant figure is that one. So supposing we take decimals, we say, so nearest whole number is of course 0, whole number. So the first decimal place, what is the first decimal place? First decimal place is 0 here, but 7 is more than 5, so you have to add 1 to this. So the first decimal place will be 0.1. When we approximate to the first decimal place, it is 0.1. But when we approximate the first significant figure, look at this, what is the difference? 0.08, because we can't take the first zeros. So second decimal place. How the second decimal place come? This is the second decimal place. So the next one is 8. So it will be 0.08. Second decimal place. But second significant figure is also 0.0. Second significant figure is 0.78. But the second decimal place is 0.08. Look, third decimal place. Third decimal place is one the decimal you take 1, 2, 3. The fourth number is 1, leave it. So 0.078. So children, can you see the difference? Significant figures is different from decimal figures. we don't take the first zeros for the signal figure. We should take only the numbers. We'll take another example. 3596. So, first significant figure here be first significant figure will be here. First number is 3, but the next number is 5. So you have to add 1. So the answer will be 4000. Be very careful how to write the signal figures here. We can't just write 3 and leave it, because these are numbers 3596. So we have to have all those numbers there. So the first signal figure, the answer will be 4000. If this second signal figure, it will be, this is the second signal figure, but the next number is 9. So add 1 to this. So the answer is 3600. The third signal figure will be also this one. You add 1 to this, 3600. How does third signal look? Third signal figure is 9 here. So 3, 5, 9, you have to add 1 to this. So 10, 1, no, 6, not. So it will be a third signal figure equals, this is the third signal figure, but you have to add 1 from here to this. So it will be 0, 9. So 3600. I hope you have understood this one. Now here, third signal figure will be 9 here, but the next number is 6. So you have to add 1 to this. No, 9 and 1, 10, 0. So 6, so 3600. So second signal figure is also 3600. Third signal figure is also 3600. We will take another example. 0.851. So we will say first decimal place. First decimal place is equal to 0.8, so it will be 0.9. So first signal figure will be what? Signal figure is also 0.9. So you start from here. We will take next one. Look at this one. 0.8, 0.08321. So first decimal place. First decimal place will be 0 here. So you have to add 1 to this, 0.1. First signal figure. Signal figure, we can't take these two zeros. So 8 is the first signal figure. So the answer is 0.08. Right. We'll take 1 or 2 more examples so that you'll be thorough with this. First, dp, first SF, signal figure, 0.0081. First decimal place. First decimal place here will be, these are first decimal place number. So next number is 0. So we write this as 0. Right? 0. What will be the first signal figure? First signal figure, we can't take the zeros. So the answer is 8. So it will be 0.008. Look at the difference. First decimal place is 0.0, but the first signal figure is 0.008. We'll take another example. 11.12. First decimal place. First decimal place is 1 here. So we have write it as 11.1. So first signal figure. What will be the first signal figure? First signal figure here is 1. So next number is 1, so less than 5, 0. So the answer is 10.00. First, we want only one significant figure. So the first significant figure is 1 here. But the next number is less than 5, leave it. So the answer is 10.00. Look at this one. 0.0071. Right, first decimal. First decimal is 0.0. First significant figure will be 0.007. So these are all the numbers go in significant figure, children. So I have compared the decimal place and the significant figures so that you'll be able to find out the difference. So only thing is you have to remember is when you are finding for significant place, the first zeros don't count. So that's all you have to remember here. That's all for children today on significant figures. I hope you have understood, and if you like the lesson, please subscribe.